All right, let's talk about that crazy announcement from Notion because there was a lot of great stuff announced. So, first up, we had forms. Collect information, collect attachments, put it into a database directly in Notion. Do it in like 2 seconds to get on with your day. Never need to go to Google Forms, it's all synced up. You don't need to have an automation to sync those up to a Notion database. Just put it all into one and get on with your day in 2 seconds. So, after that, we had custom layouts where if you don't like the layout of your database, you can group properties, hide properties, remove the icon for those properties, and really customize it to make it look like you intend it to. Instead of being forced to put the properties on the top, you can kind of focus on what you want. After that, we had automations where you can send an automation to send an email directly to Gmail. But the better part of that automation announcement was formula logic, where if you put a formula into that automation, you can say, if this happens, do that. And it's based on formulas, so you can get as complex as you need for basically all automations. It's pretty dang powerful. After that, we had some pretty dang cool stuff on AI where you can search into Google Drive, or if you have it connected to Slack, you can go search for messages directly in there. Or if you have a page in Notion, you can go ask it to search that page, what you talked about, reference all that documentation, and kind of do all the other AI writing stuff that we know and love. After that, Notion Mail. Yes, we have our own mail feature too. Outlook, watch out, we're all connected. Let's see what you guys can do because Notion Mail is coming to town. So we have all the block editing features that are native to Notion, but we can now send email through that. And because Notion has Calendar, we can also set up a single button to schedule directly from that email. No Calendly, no separate link. Send an email and say if this time works, click this button, and it gets scheduled to Notion Calendar through Notion Mail, and you see it in Notion. How beautiful is that? And then we also have Notion templates. You can protect that so people don't steal them if you post it on the Notion template gallery. It's now called the Marketplace, and we have the ability to request refunds. Protect our templates from being duplicated using access locking. Accept ratings directly from the Notion Marketplace so that when we go to it, you can see whose templates are good, how they've been rated, comments, and yeah, you can accept payment directly through Notion with Stripe. One more thing, and the best one that most people are going to care about. Ivan Zhao did confirm offline mode is coming. He didn't release it. He specifically said that it's not getting launched right now, but the team is working on it, and because of Notion's data model, it might take a little bit, but hey, it's around the corner, and he said he's not going to let us down. So this announcement has to be the biggest announcement in tech that I've seen in a long time, so go ahead and drop a comment. Let's hear what you were excited about, and I can't wait to see it. So drop a comment. Let me hear your number one announcement that was released today, and if you have any questions, I'll be answering those as well. So let's get to it, guys. Notion is beautiful.